Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from Worldcoin app to Binance. Now step 1 is just open the Binance application in your mobile phone, and once you have opened the Binance application, after that just go to the assets from the below right corner, and once you click on assets, let it load. You will be seeing this kind of interface. So from here you can just click on add funds, and once you click on add funds, make sure to choose the first option, which is called on chain deposit. And once you click on chain deposit, you will be seeing this kind of interface. So make sure to click on search coins, and from here just search WLD. And once you search WLD, you will be seeing the coin WorldCoin. So make sure to select the coin, and from here you can just choose the network, whatever network is best for you. So let's say I choose the first one, which is world chain. And once you choose it, click on continue and just copy the deposit address. Just click on this copy button, and the address will be copied to the clipboard. After that, you can just go back and open the application of WorldCoin or the World app. And once you open the application, from here just go to the wallet, which is in the middle option. And once you're into the wallet, you can just click on these three dots just below, just with the buy and send button. And from here just click on withdraw, which is the last option. And once you're into the withdraw, I am facing some kind of error. So from here, you will be seeing your coin, which is like the world coin. So choose the coin. After that, they will ask you to enter the amount. How much do you want to transfer? So enter the world coin amount do you want to transfer. And from here, you can just, they will ask you to enter the deposit address. So make sure to paste the deposit address, which we copied from the Binance. And once you paste the address, just confirm it, and your amount will be transferred from WorldCoin app to Binance. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.